Yo guys, welcome back to the video. Today we're going to be giving you a 2025 bike check, and we're just going to test it out around the Riverview Skate Park. Those of you that have been tuned into my channel, you have seen my YouTube shorts and have seen this bike in action already. But for the ones that haven't, we're going to show you right now. So we have the 2023 Anthony Panza complete, and I just upgraded onto it. So yeah, we have the most beautiful paint job that I've ever seen on a BMX bike. I'm honest, that is so nice. With a Colt stem, don't know what stem it is, I just know it's Colt. We have the S&M 4-piece bars with the S&M Hooter grips. Some of the best grips if you want to buy them, not sponsored. Kink BMX seat, it's very grippy, I like it. Helps with bar spins because it's a pivotal seat, but the thing's just inside of it, so it's not virtual. We have the Colt Vans tires, but we do have the Demolition ones coming in tomorrow, so stay tuned for that if you guys want to see that. We have the Cinema 333 rims. They're a little dusty right now because it hasn't been cleaned in a while. And around here we have the Shadow Conspiracy V2 chain. This thing was $66 for a chain. Has a lifetime warranty though. Okay, coming down here we have the Sunday Knox 25 tooth sprocket. It's a guard sprocket, so that's really nice for like grinds and stuff. If you hit your sprocket, it's not gonna bend. It's just gonna protect that chain at all costs. We have some 2-piece cranks. Don't know what they are, but they're 2-piece cranks. And then just some stock Colt pedals. And coming over here we have the Colt V3 forks, just pretty nice. And that basically sums up the 2025 bike check. So let's get right into the POV video.